Smaller and more nimble than the full-size Range Rover, the 2025 Range Rover Sport SUV sits at the heart of the Land Rover lineup and offers both solid on- and off-road capability. A trio of available powertrains lets you order the sport that best suits your driving style and lifestyle. The base P360 inline-six makes 355 horsepower, while the P400 inline-six pumps that number up to 395. Plug-in hybrid variant, called P550e, makes 542 ponies and offers an estimated 51 miles of electric-only driving. An adjustable air spring suspension system provides extra ground clearance when you need it and hunkers the SUV down when you don't, improving aerodynamics, on-road handling, and off-road capability. Spec'd with the optional Stormer handling package, the Range Rover Sport turns into a true performer with a rear-wheel steering system and a torque-vectoring rear differential. If maximum performance is what you're looking for though, consider the Range Rover Sport SV, reviewed separately, which comes with a 626 horsepower twin-turbo V8. Regardless of which model you choose, you get a premium cabin full of amenities, a comfortable ride for when you want to cruise, and a dashing exterior design that is instantly recognizable as a Range Rover. The cost for a car wearing this upper-crust badge is high. The Range Rover Sport commands a premium over the starting prices of its well-respected luxury SUV rivals, a list that includes the BMW X5, the Porsche Cayenne, and the Mercedes-AMG GLE 53. The price of the 2025 Land Rover Range Rover Sport starts at $85,175 and goes up to $124,875 depending on the trim and options.